How to enable or disable FaceTime live captions on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, scroll down and tap on FaceTime. Next, we go down and tap on Live Captions Beta and tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. If this is turned on, your iPhone will use on-device intelligence to automatically display captions in FaceTime. Accuracy of live captions may vary and should not be relied upon high-risk or emergency situations. And that's it. So you can turn it on or switch it off if you don't like the captions to display on your FaceTime. And after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.